In this video, you will learn how to translate from one language to another using the Translate mobile app on iPhone. So I'll tap on the mobile app for it to open. So once it opens, you will find yourself on an interface that looks like this. If you're using it for the first time, there may be step-by-step guide on what you need to do. Okay, now enter the text you want to translate to another language where you have enter text. So I have a document in this phone. I want to go and copy the text and paste inside there. So let me get to the Files app. I'll tap on it. Then look at this document I named OneDrive document. I'll tap on it. So let's say I want to translate from here down. So I'll copy it. I'll highlight the place all these text first. Okay, and then I will tap on copy for it to be copied. So once you highlight the text, you will see the copy option, okay, below. So I'll get back to the app. So look at the app here. I'll tap inside that place, long press, and then paste. All right, so this is the English version. So it's now being translated into Spanish. All right, that's the Spanish version. So if maybe you want to switch to another language, tap where you have Spanish, all right, or any language you have there, and then select the language you want it to be translated to. So I want it to be translated into German. So I will tap on German and wait. Okay, you can see it has translated it to German. So if maybe you want to publish a manuscript or there's anything you want to do that requires a translation from one language to another, you can consider this app. It's good. Okay, then that is that. So you can copy the translation and paste it somewhere and use it for whatever thing you want to use it for. I want to highlight on some things. Once you paste that and it's being translated to another language, you will see the play button, all right, beside both the English text and the one is translated to. Okay, so if I want to play the audio version of the text, I will tap on the play button on a particular language.
Just as you can use OneDrive cloud storage service on the web or as a desktop application on any computer.
You can hear the voice. So that's the English version of the audio, all right? So if I want to play the German version, I'll still tap on the play button.
So wie Sie den OneDrive Cloud Speicherdienst im Web oder.
So that's how you can use the audio version or reading version in the application, all right? The Translate app on iPhone. Let's see another way we can still use this mobile application. Another way you can use the iPhone Translate app is through the camera option, all right? Which you can call the camera tab. When you tap on that, you can capture a text on a book and then carry out the translation, all right? So here I don't have any text facing me and it cannot do that. So once you place the textbook, tap on that camera and capture, all right? So let me get back to Translate app. So you have the conversation. When you tap on that, you can translate in form of conversation, all right? So once you paste your text, select a language and then you will see the conversation aspect of it. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button, leave a comment and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.